Now let us continue with the properties of triangles SAQs. Take the first one. In a triangle ABC, show that b square minus c square by a square is equal to sin b minus c by sin b plus c. So first let us take LHS. LHS is b square minus c square by a square. Now from sine rule we know that b can be written as 2r sin b whole square minus c can be written as 2r sin c whole square by a can be written as 2r sin a whole square. This is from sine rule. Now that is equal to 4r square sin square b minus 4r square sin square c by 4r square sin square a. So if we take 4r square common from the numerator, we get sin square b minus sin square c by 4r square sin square a. So 4r square get cancelled. That is sin square b minus sin square c by sin square a. Now sin square b minus sin square c can be written as sin b plus c sin b minus c by sin square a can be written as 180 minus of b plus c. So that is sin b plus c sin b minus c by sin 180 minus theta is sin theta. So this is sin square b plus c. Now one sin b plus c, one sin b plus c cancel. So you are left over with sin b minus c by sin b plus c. This is RHS. Hence proved. Now take the next question. If R is to R1 is equal to 2 is to 5 is to 12, then prove that the triangle is right angled at A. So what is given to us? Given small r is to capital R is to R1 is equal to 2 is to 5 is to 12. So whenever it is given in ratios, we can write R is equal to 2k, capital R is equal to 5k, R1 is equal to 12k. Now let us first find out R1 minus R. That is 12k minus 2k, which is equal to 10k. But 10k we can write it as 2 into 5k. But we know that 5k is capital R. So this can be written as 2r. So now R1 minus R is 2r. Which means now R1 can be written as 4r sin A by 2 cos B by 2 cos C by 2 minus R can be written as 4r sin A by 2 sin B by 2 sin C by 2 is equal to 2 into R. Now if we take 4r sin A by 2 common, we get cos B by 2 cos C by 2 minus sin B by 2 sin C by 2 is equal to 2r. R cancel, 2 1s are, 2 2s are. So you will get 2 sin A by 2. Now the bracket is in the form cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Formula is cos A plus B. So this is cos B plus C by 2 is equal to 1. Now we know that B plus C can be written as 180 minus A using sum angle property. So cos 180 minus A by 2 is equal to 1. Or else directly we can write cos B plus C by 2 can be written as sine A by 2 is equal to 1. So sine square A by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. Sine A by 2 is equal to 1 by root 2. So that is equal to sine 45. So A by 2 is equal to 45, which implies A is equal to 90 degrees. When A is 90 degrees, we can say that the triangle is right angled at A. Now take the next question. Prove that 1 plus cos A minus B into cos C by 1 plus cos A minus C into cos B is equal to A square plus B square by A square plus C square. So first we will take LHS. LHS is 1 plus cos A minus B into cos C by 1 plus cos A minus C into cos B. So now let's see how to write cos C and cos B. So we know that A plus B plus C is 180. So C is 180 minus of A plus B. Right? So cos C is cos 180 minus A plus B. But we know that cos 180 minus theta is minus cos theta. So we can write cos C as minus cos A plus B. The same way we can write cos B as minus cos A plus C. So that is 1 minus, I am writing over here, 1 minus cos A minus B cos A plus B by 1 minus cos A minus C cos A plus C. Now we can write this as 1 minus cos A minus B cos A plus B can be written as cos square A minus sin square B. We have a formula. 1 minus, again cos A minus C cos A minus cos A plus C can be written as cos square A minus sin square C. So if we open the brackets, we will get 1 minus cos square A plus sin square B by 1 minus cos square A minus into minus plus sin square C. From trigonometric identities, we know that 1 minus cos square A is sin square A. Sin square A plus sin square B by sin square A plus sin square C. Now from sine rule, we know that sin A is A by 2r. So sin square A will be A square by 4r square. The same way B square by 4r square. By sin square A is again A square by 4r square plus C square by 4r square. So denominator 4r square if it get cancelled, finally we will get that is equal to A square plus B square by A square plus C square. This is RHS. Now take the next question. If cot A by 2, cot B by 2, cot C by 2 are in AP, then prove that ABC are in AP. So what is given to us? Cot A by 2, cot B by 2, cot C by 2 are in AP. So what is cot A by 2 formula? S into S minus A by delta. Cot B by 2 is S into S minus B by delta. Cos C by 2 is S into S minus C by delta are in AP. So if we cancel delta, delta, delta and SSS, we will get S minus A, S minus B, S minus C are in AP. Now if we cancel SSS in all the three terms, we will get minus A, minus B, minus C are in AP. Now if we cancel minus 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 in all the three terms, we will get A, B, C are in AP. Hence proved. Take the next question. In a triangle ABC, if A plus B plus C into B plus C minus A is equal to 3BC, then find A. This question was last asked in TS June 23. So first let us write down what is given to us. Given A plus B plus C into B plus C minus A is equal to 3BC. See, we know that A plus B plus C is equal to 2S. So we can write B plus C as 2S minus A, no? So now you see the first bracket is A plus B plus C. We can directly write it as 2S. And in the second bracket you have B plus C. We can write it as 2S minus A, and one more minus A is given. That is equal to 3BC. So 2S into 2S minus 2A is equal to 3BC. So that is 2S into 2 if we take common. S minus A is equal to 3BC. So this is 4S into S minus A is equal to 3BC. Now we'll bring BC this side and 4 that side. So we will get S into S minus A by BC is equal to 3 by 4. Now S into S minus A by BC is the formula for cos square A by 2. That is 3 by 4. So if we remove square from the left hand side, we need to write square root on the right hand side. So cos A by 2 is equal to root 3 by 2. So when is cos theta root 3 by 2? That is at cos 30 degrees. So A by 2 is equal to 30, which implies A is equal to 60 degrees. Now take the next question. This appeared last in March 22 and TS March 20. The question is, show that B cos square C by 2 plus C cos square B by 2 is equal to S. So we will take LHS first. LHS is B cos square C by 2 plus C cos square B by 2. That is B into, just in the last problem we have seen what is cos square C by 2, S into S minus C by AB, plus C into cos square B by 2 can be written as S into S minus B by AC. Here BB cancel, here CC cancel. So that is S into S minus C by A plus S into S minus B by A. So that is S by A into, if I take S by A common, we will get S minus C plus S minus B. Now S plus S is 2S. From these two, if we take minus common, we get B plus C. That is S by A into 2S minus. Now B plus C, we can write it as 2S minus A. So that is S by A into, open the brackets, 2S minus 2S plus A. 2S minus 2S cancel. That is S by A into A cancel, which is equal to S. This is RHS. Take the next question. In triangle ABC, prove that 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3 is equal to 1 by R. So let us take LHS first. LHS is 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. We know that R1 is delta by S minus A. R2 is delta by S minus B. R3 is delta by S minus C. If I take this denominator to the numerator, it will become reciprocal. So it will become S minus A by delta plus s minus b by delta plus s minus c by delta. All the denominators are same, so we can add the numerators. S minus a plus s minus b plus s minus c by delta. S plus s is 3s. If I take minus common, we get a plus b plus c by delta. But we know that a plus b plus c is 2s. So this is 3s minus 2s by delta, which is equal to s by delta. Now we can write this as 1 by delta by s, that is 1 by r, which is equal to RHS. Now take the next question. Show that R1, R2, R3 is equal to delta square. So first let us take LHS. LHS is R1, R2, R3. So what is the formula for R? It is delta by S. R1 is delta by S minus A. R2 is delta by S minus B. R3 is delta by S minus C. So that is delta power 4 by S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. We know that, one second. Now we know that S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C is delta square. So this is delta power 4 by delta square. So that is delta power 2. That is delta square. Delta power 4 by delta square is delta square, which is equal to RHS. Now take the next question. In triangle ABC, show that A is equal to B cos C plus C cos B. So let us take RHS first. So RHS is B cos C plus C cos B. That is B into, we apply cosine rule now. Cos C formula is A square plus B square minus C square by 2AB plus C into cos B formula is A square plus C square minus B square by 2AC. B cancel, C cancel. So that is, now denominators are same, so we can add the numerators. A square plus B square minus C square plus A square plus C square minus B square whole divided by 2A. B square minus B square cancel. C square minus C square cancel. That is 2A square by 2A. 2 cancel, A cancel, which is equal to A, that is equal to LHS. Hence proved.